9 Bizarre Home Remedies That Really Work Part 2. Treat eczema with baking soda. Eczematic skin tends to be more acidic, and baking soda brings it back to a more neutral pH and sloughs off some of that dead, flaking skin, Jin says. Combine 1 tablespoon baking soda with warm bath water and soak for 15 minutes 3 times a week. Soothe a sore throat with sage tea. A study in the European Journal of Medical Research found that a spray containing 15% sage offered significant relief within just 2 hours compared with a placebo. Try DIY sage tea. Pour 1 cup of almost boiling water over 2 tablespoons fresh sage or 1 tablespoon dried. Cover and steep 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. Solve stinky feet with rubbing alcohol. Its dehydrating properties kill flourishing bacteria and fungus and eliminate excess perspiration problems at the root of odors, says De Heer. Dampen a cotton ball with rubbing alcohol and wipe over the bottoms of your feet in the morning to minimize moisture and control odor all day. Stop a migraine with ice. Applying ice to your temples or the back of your neck for 10 to 15 minutes numbs the nerve that's sending the pain signal and constricts blood vessels. Plus, the icy sensation on your skin helps distract from the pain, says Lawrence Newman, MD, a board-certified neurologist and director of the Headache Institute at Mount Sinai Roosevelt in New York City. More 6 DIY remedies for irritated skin. Halt a respiratory tract infection with salt water. Start swishing at the first sign of trouble. If you are dealing with tonsillitis rather than a regular cough, add some salt to help clear out the bits of food that can get stuck in the tonsils and often cause the problem. Doing so led to a 36% reduction in peak season respiratory tract infections, according to a study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine. Kick athlete's foot with garlic. A study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology reported that ajoine, an antifungal compound found in garlic, can reduce the signs and symptoms of every gym goer's worst foe. Crush a few cloves, mix with olive oil and use a cotton ball to rub the mixture on the affected area several times a day until the infection clears up. Cure swimmer's ear with a vinegar. Vinegar acidifies the external auditory canal, killing the bacteria that cause swimmer's ear, says Lucien Sulissa, an otolaryngologist at New York Presbyterian Hospital or Weill Cornell Medical Center. Dilute white vinegar with an equal amount of distilled water and using an eyedropper, put 3 drops in the affected ear 3 times daily. Experience less anxiety with peppermint essential oil. Research from Wheeling Jesuit University suggests keeping this feel-good scent on hand to sniff when stress levels start to bubble over. Doing so led study participants to have 20% less self-reported anxiety and 25% less frustration. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.